This was me 2 years ago. And yes, I'm still as ugly and still as weird. And this is me a year ago.
Oh my god!
Both of those videos is me fitting a COBRA exhaust to my car. Tomorrow morning, we are actually heading up to see them at the headquarters in Sheffield to get a little naughty. In true The Other Stuff fashion, let me just say this. I'm going to be heading up to Sheffield and I will not be coming home without a boner. Right then guys, like I said, we're actually heading down to COBRA Exhaust today. Well, not today, we're actually heading down tomorrow, but look at the dog, look at the dog.
Just chill out, I'm still here.
So we're heading down to Sheffield today. We're gonna get. What is that?
It's angry then.
So anyway, we are actually gonna be getting a sports cat installed. Hopefully on the Scirocco today. So hopefully it's gonna go either a little louder or we're gonna pull a little bit more power out of it, ready for the stage 2 remap that we're gonna do.
So what is a sports cat? Taught from a noob. The engine creates a lot of harmful gases through combustion. These gases then go down the exhaust and passes through a catalytic converter. And somehow this catalytic converter, through magic, thank you Mr. Bean, converts these harmful gases to basically less harmful gases. In simple terms for my brain to understand, because I haven't got a very strong one, it's like a filter basically. And this filter is very restrictive, so gas can't flow through it super quickly. Now this is where a sports cat comes in. This does the same thing as a catalytic converter, but is a lot more free flowing and less restrictive, which means gases can pass through it so much quicker. This can lead to a louder car and increased brake horsepower. On the road to Sheffield right now, but before, I would like to say a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, just like usual, Car Vertical. Now, if you guys don't know who Car Vertical is actually a used car history checker that scans through a car's history to show you if there is any bad history that you will want to know about. So for example, if you're on the used car market for a Golf R, for example, if you find one you like, make sure to run the reg or the VIN through Car Vertical. Here's a report I found for a used Golf R earlier. So here is actually the Car Vertical report, and as we can see, there has been no mileage fraud that has been disclosed by the report. Car Vertical also makes it super easy with this mileage graph. If there were any dips in this, we would know that the mileage has been rolled back. This vehicle is not wanted as stolen, which is always a good thing. Car Vertical also checks all of these different countries' databases. Luckily, there is no outstanding finance. However, unfortunately, this vehicle was damaged. We can see further down in the report where the damage was reported, as well as the estimated repair cost. You could buy a new Scirocco for that. And it's so powerful, it even shows you pictures of the damage collected from car auction sites and other sources. So make sure to use Car Vertical to make sure that the car that you're looking at didn't once look like this. If you are at all interested in using Car Vertical, use my discount code TheOtherStuff10 or click the link in the description for an automatic 10% off. And without further ado, let's continue our long ass drive to Sheffield. Alright then guys, so we've actually arrived down at the thing. It looks like a fucking manor, mate. Like, I think it is called a manor actually. Scirocco's all parked up, of course, in the corner. You know, this is the best. If you're a car guy, you know that this is the best spot, right in the corner. Tomorrow we'll be leaving here and going to get this sports cat, baby. This would be my driveway one day, Claire. All the cars parked up here. Yeah, this will be my driveway. I'm guessing. It's a door. Oh, jeez. Excuse me. Jesus. I'm meant to be treated like a princess. Oh, wow. Oh, it smells good in there. Oh, wow. TV.
You see a custard?
Oh, don't piss me off. Oh, shit. We're staying over the night and then we're actually gonna head up to COBRA Exhaust in the morning. I don't know what, but I want to set bloody 8 o'clock in the morning. 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 Oh my god, this is too much fun. What's this? It's a fucking beautiful bed. Look at that, just a bed in the middle.
What the fuck have you done, man?
They're movable beds.
did you figure that out?
So after a lovely night's sleep, we packed our bags and headed off to COBRA Exhaust.
Right then guys, so we've actually made it down to COBRA Sport in Sheffield. Like this is, coming here is like weird for me because I've been with their company for years, and like to finally come down and actually see them and meet them, they're the coolest people ever. So it's like being in the other stuff video, but for real. So pretty much we get a sports cat done to the Scirocco, and I think it's a 3-inch, so it should be noisy. My name's Simon Neighbours. If you're watching, please, I'm sorry. But anyway, so the shutters at COBRA then opened and the Scirocco soon went in. And if I thought the Scirocco was loud now, whew, boy was I naive. While the Scirocco was actually getting done, me and Chloe actually popped over into town and had a little mooch about. Big up Jake from COBRA. He dropped us off. We're actually looking at Mercedes right now, look. This is what I'm thinking for next cars, right? I'm thinking a taxi man car. Like, I want to step away from hatchbacks, and I want to step up to... What?
That's not
Hatchback? That's a hot hatch, that is. So I want a bigger car next time, like that. Just for practicality and everything.
We've got a dog, you know, like, it just doesn't work.
I would like to have a bit more room. Or maybe if Bill Gates want to get involved, he can send me a Porsche out. Come on, Bill. Help an old friend out. Look at the time, guys. I don't think COBRA Exhaust really know who they brought down. After the toy store, we got milkshakes. And then we actually bought these crazy snacks for Rosie. This would be a perfect 12-year-old's day out. Okay, alright then guys, so pretty much that is the sports cat all installed into the Scirocco, and I want to say a massive thank you to the guys down at COBRA Exhaust because they've just been super sick to us today. They gave us a little goodie box. What's this shit? Hold on. Oh, my boot's not open. Honestly, driving from here to thing, I've tried not to put my foot down, but the turbo is making some whispering noises. Look at this. They gave us a bloody goodie bag. I'll open that when I get back. The sports cat is now all installed, and honestly, it sounds 10 times louder than I thought it was going to sound like. Because obviously, I asked a few people around, and they were like, you won't hear much of a difference, but oh baby! All installed, took about 4 hours to install, and this was a completely custom job. They do the Scirocco R sports cat, but this one was a little bit different to the Scirocco R1 or any one that they had, so they had to custom job this one. So big up Mark for installing it, big up Jake, big up, what's the other guy? What was the other guy's name? Mark, Jake, Wayne, Oliver, Owen. Big up Owen and the rest of the thing. They just made me and Chloe feel quite at home there. But yeah, let's start it up and give it a little rev. Wow. Okay, all right then guys, so bear with us. It is absolutely boiling today. Why does it sound like something out of Forza? Listen to this one, I'm
What's going on here then, boss? Are we just having a meeting?
Yeah, just having a chat.
Yeah? Friendly catch up? Yeah?
This is the main thing. Not even going fast, listen. Why is my car whispering to me?
No!
What the fuck was that?
Wow. What the fuck?
0.2 miles. Go straight on
Guys,
to Longdown
the
Lane.
brutality! This car sounds like it will put a knife to your throat, steal your missus, and take some hot dogs on the way out. Wow! What?
In one turn left onto Lower Street.
It's not even. We're in a bloody wilderness. This ain't a place where the sound echoes back off. It is sounding like a war zone. It's fair to say I'm happy.
In 1,000 feet. Turn left.
I've got an M4. I've been in a BMW M3, right? Big up EcoMax tuning. This sounds, I don't want to say similar or anything, but similar.
Turn
I love the car. Oh, that sounds sick.
Wants to die?
So right then, little bit of an interruption, but literally, Cobra knows how to get to my heart because, like, hey, I'm a nice guy. I won't say yes to a lot of things. How do I explain that?
You're not greedy, you don't want everything from someone.
Okay,
But
that makes me look good. That makes me look good. But a goodie box I'll happily take. So look at the fucking size of this.
I love a good. It's not good for me, and I love it.
Yeah, no, I'm quite excited to see what's in it.
That is it.
Wow!
Oh, I'm excited.
They got hoodies!
Oh.
I'm not gassed right now because it's probably about 30 degrees today. Oh, they said... Hold on. They said there's two! One for you!
Oh, they gave me one, and they.
Wow.
I love you, Cobra.
Wow, look at this. What? Oi!
Oh, that's cool. That's like something.
Wow, that's sick! And I got a snapback. Right, I don't look good in snapbacks, so be prepared to laugh.
Yeah, they don't see you.
They don't. Yeah, we've got more stickers.
Stickers!
This right here is good today because we're going to put some ice in here and we're going to cool ourselves down. So, Cobra Sport, making your car sound awesome as well as keeping you hydrated. Listen, right, I thought I didn't suit caps, right, I don't suit this side, but oh my god, when you turn it backwards like the Will Smith in Prince of Bel-Air, look at that, and you've got the Cobra. Cobra's got brownie points from Chloe.
It started, I'm literally sweating, but I just wanted to try it on.
That looks awesome. Look at that.
If you want to buy a
that's
hoodie,
ripped. If you want to buy a hoodie,
that's lit for a start. These are very comfy.
why is the startup so good? Turn aircon off for now. Traction control off. Stop start. Get down my fucking car. And that's short shifting. That is that's short shifting. Listen how quiet it is when you're just cruising, right, 4 on accelerator, 40 miles per hour. You know what I mean? It's not overkill. It's not like you can't drive this car at all. Like, that's what I like. I really like that. Most of the time, I'm not hammering it like I've been in this video, but sometimes I am. The pops! Wow! Alright then guys, so of course with every single Cobra Sport exhaust I've had 3 different Cobra Sport exhausts. Of course we got the tunnel run coming up. Let's do it. What? Fuck?
I'm surprised it's still intact.
I'm surprised we haven't deleted our engine by now.
So if you are interested in getting a little bit more sound out of your car, click the link in the description and check Cobra Sport out. They do exhaust systems for all different cars, as well as custom exhaust if they don't already do your car. If you guys want to pick up an exhaust system, use code TOS10 for a cheeky discount on your exhaust.
Alright then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of the Sports Cat install to the Scirocco. Honestly, I am but this is fucking sick. Honestly, huge thank you to Cobra Exhaust for installing it and providing the Sports Cat, the custom Sports Cat. If you guys are at all interested, check their website out, link in the description. You can pick up Scirocco exhausts. Anyway guys, subscribe if you are new, follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff, and I will see you in my next video.